In this video, we are going to solve problem C, make it equal from latest Codeforces round 104. So before watching the video, you should read the problem statement by yourself at first. So the problem statement is very straightforward. It says that we are given two array S and T, and in the multiset S, we can do some operation, and by doing this, if we can convert the S to T, then we will print yes. In other words, we will print. Let's understand the operation that we can make. Let's say an element in the multiset S is 7. There can be multiple elements in the multiset. Let's say there is 1 and the element is 7 and the value of k is 5. Let's check what are the number that we can convert into from this element 7. So at first, the operation that we can do is subtract k or add k from our element. The element is 7. At first we can subtract k, then it will become 2. Or we can add k, then it will become class 12. And again if we add k, then it will become 17 and then 22, 27 and so on. From 2, if we subtract k, then we will become 3, which is the absolute difference between 2 and 5. And then we can again add k, and we can do this infinite number of time. Now let's try to find a relation between the number that we generated, these numbers. So if we look at the number on top, from these elements, if we want to find a relation, then we can see that the mod of k of this element all are equal, and this is equivalent to the lowest number here, which is 2. And if we look at the in these numbers, we can find another relation, that the same relation, that the mod of all the elements of with k is equal to the lowest element, which is 3. So we can say that the number that we can convert from x is equal to x percent k or x modulo k or k minus x modulo k. If I want to explain, the number that we are given in S is 7 and the value of k is 5. So here x percent k is 2 and k minus x percent k is 3. And we can also see that here that mod of mod with k, all the numbers are either 2 or either 3. So this is the main observation from this problem. You should now try to implement this by yourself. In the code at first, I take input of n and k, and here I take the input of multiset s, and here the multiset k. There is no use of the vector t. I just try to do this in another way during the contest. And here I just do the thing I explained in the video before. And here I check if the multiset S is converted to multiset T or not. There can be multiple way to do this. I just do this in this way.